In today's episode, we take a closer look at global comedian and actor Jim Gaffigan. Known for his clean, observational humor, often centered on fatherhood, food, and Catholicism, Gaffigan has built a massive following. Given his persona, fans have sometimes wondered about his personal life and sexuality. So, is Jim Gaffigan gay? Let's find out. Jim Gaffigan, born the 7th of July, 1966, has become one of the most popular and recognizable comedians of his generation. A devout Catholic and father of five, much of his comedy revolves around his family life with his wife and children. His semi-autobiographical show, The Jim Gaffigan Show, which he co-wrote and produced with his wife, further highlighted their family-centric life. Is Jim Gaffigan gay? Jim Gaffigan has never publicly identified as gay. He is straight and has been married to his wife Jeannie Gaffigan since 2003. They met in a New York City bodega in 2000 and have since built both a family and a successful collaborative career, working together on various comedy specials and television projects. While he is straight, Gaffigan has shown support for the LGBTQ+ community. In a 2017 social media post for Pride Month, he notably shared a photo with his children at a big gay ice cream shop, joking, "I'm so proud of my gay kids." His eldest child, Mar, uses they/them pronouns and is open about their support for the LGBTQ+ community. This shows that while Jim Gaffigan is straight, he is not narrow-minded and fosters an inclusive environment for his family and fans. So, is Jim Gaffigan gay? No. He is a married, straight man, but he is also a supportive ally to the LGBTQ+ community. What he has done is build a career and family life centered on his values, all while using his platform to promote humor and acceptance. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on your favorite stars and where they are now.